How about it?
That feels good.
Thanks for the music.
Hell yeah.
Appreciate you.
About it.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Check this out. Tim is freaking out. He's in the background. He's freaking out. He's on his phone.
Yeah.
Look at that, yeah, boys. Yeah, Tim. Hey, man, we're going to do... What do you guys? Got a couple more songs? You got anything left in the gas tank? Or where are you at?
We have so much music. Dude.
All right. Well,
so, what do you want? Where are we at with streamers?
I'll tell you
How
this.
are they doing? Are they enjoying it?
I took an incredible amount of time at the front, which I feel like stole maybe a song or two of yours. So maybe we could go further.
It's up to those guys, you know?
No, it's up to me.
It's up to you. Okay. Be the king you want to be.
I love it.
Yo, let's do it. Let's play Too Many Times and do King. We call it that King. Do those two songs and then we'll call it good.
I love it. Let's go.
Yeah. While we got a little time. Hey, can I bring up fucking Basner right here?
What about Bazo?
Yo, can we welcome in Jason here real quick? Can we give him a round of applause for being our Luna Shades living everlasting bass player? Yeah, that's the guy, dude. He's got style, he's got the vibe, and you know what? Like, that shit makes me so happy. I hope I can swear on Facebook. Sorry, don't kick us off, Facebook. But anyways, I'm just so proud of this kid. He's come like literally in 2 months, full circle. We've had to lay on I'd probably say like 15 minutes of 15 songs. So let's give it up for Jason one more time, and let's get into Too Many Times. One love.
Hey.
It's